Clinical trials, saving thousands of lives through the art of drug discovery. As once said by Ralph Waldo Emerson, it is the one beautiful compensations of this life that no man can sincerely help another without helping himself. So essentially, what are clinical trials? According to the NIA, clinical trials are research studies performed in people that are aimed at evaluating a medical intervention. They contribute to the evolution of evidence-based medicine as they investigate side effects and health outcomes of the therapy. With that, scientists are set out to achieve 3 goals: to efficiently prevent, diagnose, and treat the disease. The most common assumption that people have is that if they join a clinical trial, they'll be turned into the next guinea pig. Well, if you find yourself in a movie thriller, that might be true. Thanks to ethical guidelines that have been in place, there are 5 critical values to attain the safety of a trial and its participants, such as justice, non-maleficence, where the physician should do no harm, beneficence, where the action is done in the benefit of others, non-exploitation, respect, and autonomy. Because of this biased judgment, along with the fact that not many people know about clinical trials, there's been a very low rate of participation. Did you know that the success rate is about 15% for clinical trials? Considering the investment that pharma and biotech companies put, this is a pretty low number. In consequence, this leads to many unmet medical needs, such as Alzheimer's, rare diseases, neurological disorders, cancer. Even though the mortality rates for cancer has gone down, it is still one of the major causes of death in the world. This makes a call for scientific commitment to treat these diseases. But how when there's so few who know about the reality of clinical trials? Many believe that there's potential to find treatments, but the fact is that there's so little clinical participation by the public, by us, that many of these medical needs are unmet. Increasing clinical participation can not only help make better investments in saving lives and improving health, but also have a powerful effect on our economy. Take the case of the Human Genome Project, the publicly funded effort to read all 3 billion letters in the Human DNA Instruction Book. A recent analysis concluded that roughly $4 billion spent on this project generated $769 billion in economic growth within the first decade. Trials help participants in ways that current treatments never could. An example would be a randomized trial of Salk polio vaccine that took place in over 600,000 schools for children that led to the approval of the first preventive treatment for the disease, and with the later addition of the oral vaccine, which led polio from being nearly gone from the US. Without the clinical trials, these diseases would still be a big problem today. Clinical trials show researchers what works and what doesn't work in people when it comes to treatments. At the same time, thousands of others have been helped and are alive because of other people who have chosen to participate in a trial that results in a new, more effective treatment. Clinical trials are just one of the type of researches that are done before a new treatment is readily available for other people. They also help researchers and doctors decide if the side effects of a new treatment is acceptable when weighed against the benefits offered by the treatment. The outcomes of the clinical trials are never known. If they were, we wouldn't have to go through with them.